Sir, there is one more operation that you shared with me. You are part of the Operation Jajjar Kotli in the Jammu Kashmir.
Yeah, yes, I am part of the infantry. So my platoon was there, and I would say we are fortunate that two special forces units are also there. I will not name the station, but yeah, we were near to that place, Jajjar Kotli, where the operation took place, and we went in for the operation. Carried on for 2 days. It started on the 13th of September 2018. The YouTube link जो कवर किया था एबीपी न्यूज में, आई हैव सेंड दैट टू यू, जिसमें उन्होंने कवरेज किया था मेरा. So that was a very learning operation for me. So that operation was challenging because it was very near to Vaishno Devi, and once such a situation is there in place, it is the biggest nightmare for be it special forces or any other force which is present in that area, that if they enter in a populated place, firstly it is very difficult then to track them and find them, and number two, rate of casualties could be any number, which is actually your biggest nightmare. So our first challenge was to restrict them and cordon them, and it was very challenging. It was a rainy weather, and you saw the clipping of the video where I was almost half waist in the water, in the nala when the encounter was taking place. So the water was chilled, and that time that was the only place where I had cover, the only stone which was present. I took cover, but I realized in case a grenade is hurled at me, it is, even if it doesn't fall in front of me, mere piche bhi gir jaye, the only alternative I had was to dive into the water totally and just pray ki splinters na aake lage. So I was totally vulnerable from the back if there was a lobbing of grenade. And that time we tracked these three Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists. We got news in the morning at 8, and by 10 o'clock I reached the police station along with the special forces operatives and my Ghatak team, and we took the ammunition vest of the terrorist, gave it to the sniffer dog, and this Labrador dog, the first day, took us down exactly through the nala where you saw the video. Through that nala they went, and they had taken up a hide in that elevated place, and the dog went, and once the nala with the dog stopped, it showed no eagerness. So I just passed it onto the radio set that, sir, yahan tak the dog is come, I'm sure it is across the nala, sir, I think we should go ahead. But उस टाइम मुझे रोक दिया, बोला no, hold it, water level अभी थोड़ा ज्यादा है क्योंकि धूप आई हुई है, water is more, and at night we don't want to risk things because, and they said don't worry, the opposite direction of yours is already been cordoned off, so there is no chance that they will escape from that. So that whole night we were there keeping vigil and thermal equipment, observation equipment, everything was in place. We had a drone with us, but unfortunately usme night enabled wo nahi tha vision. So during the next day we used the drone, and ultimately it was not the Heptar. This was the first operation where a handheld drone actually helped in tracking these three terrorists, in which building they were, all three of them. Yeah, and that is the day when I realized it's better to use a drone than send in a helicopter making all the noise and making them alert that okay, the forces are in the area. So that drone was a massive help to us, and therein we planned. The special forces, the two units went cordon. I went to the outermost cordon, and the Nala Wali side, because so when you are hunting down the terrorist, you have to think like a terrorist. So if you want to fight the gorilla, you have to be a gorilla. Okay. So that is how we moved in for this operation. And after we moved in, I started brainstorming. Officer will always brainstorm his own thoughts, ideas, and process. So that is the time where I realized कि okay, this is the only logical, practical escape route if I am a fidain. अगर मैं if I am a terrorist, अगर मैं ये हरकत कर रहा हूँ तो कुछ हुआ तो मैं यहाँ से निकल सकता हूँ. So I told Lieutenant and special forces के जो CO, I will not name him, and then I went down the nala, took up position, and that evening I was getting jittery because I did not want it to get dark. एक बार अंधेरा हो जाए तो ऑपरेशन में इश्यूज आते हैं. your time plan gets all haywire. So by the time it was 3:30 or 3:45, the fight became intense, and this time he was taking aimed fire at my boys, and while they were under fire, aimed fire, they used to take cover and start shouting, "साहब उस पेड़ इस दिशा में इतने बजे की दिशा में फायर करो." So we used to give them covering fire, because you know vegetation mein a bullet comes, you will not be able to pinpoint where exactly it is coming from, but you will have a general sense of direction. ये वाला area. So they said साहब ये पेड़ के नीचे इस side पे है हरकत. And you know, when you are in operations, you do not fire in automatic. You do that only in CQB, close quarter battles. When you know terrorists is hold up inside, फिर आप fully automatic करो. Out of the full ratio of fire that you're putting out, at least एक गोली तो लगेगी. But in a jungle warfare, the more quiet and observant you are while receiving fire, and you are aware वहां से आ रहा है, only then you'll be able to track कि हाँ कुछ यहाँ से. Then you get up, take your aim, and then you fire back. Now the technique of firing back, how we do it, I will not tell. I'm not going to give anything to the enemy. So we have different techniques and ways of firing back. तो वो हमने अपनी सिंक्रोनाइजेशन में उस नमूने को, जैश ए मोहम्मद का जो था इडियट, so we homed on to that chap and we neutralized him. And later on, after the operation, we went for, it's called area sanitization, you know, because they lay the booby traps and bombs and everything. तो जब area sanitization के लिए गए, तो the exact place where I had put in fire, it was to my realization that we had already injured him in his femur and hip. मतलब because later on when we followed the blood trail ऊपर, जो जब sanitization चल रहा था area का, next day 14th morning when we went up, we saw, तो उसमें हमने देखा कि this guy had already injected anesthesia के injections to the exact places where he was shot. So basically वहाँ पे that pain will not come. वहाँ पे एक बार anesthesia कर दिया, वो area सुन हो जाता है. So we saw needles where we had already shot this guy 2-3 times. That is the time when I called up special forces के CO. तो मैंने उस टाइम बोला था कि sir, this chap has taken a hit. We've got him, but I cannot be 100% sure that he's there only. तो क्या पहना? मैं काला पिजामा और शायद कोई ब्लू शर्ट टाइप कुछ पहना, उसके ऊपर जैकेट, पर काला पिजामा पहना है. So he said, damn it, we saw this chap around 1.5 hour back. तो मैंने कहा सर ये मेरी साइड आया हुआ है, but we have shot, now there is silence for the past 5 to 10 minutes. He said, yeah, I can hear, I noticed you are not firing. मैंने कहा सर you just be alert. So what happened after this terrorist got injured, he went uphill. So he was logically between us and between them.
Okay.
So he used to fire one bullet in my direction. So in a jungle, you know, when you're in close range, even one bullet fired, everyone will think goli mere ko aayi hai. So eventually, initial stage mein, there was a lot of confusion. Ek goli chalti thi, a barrage of fire and bullets used to come onto us, and we used to again fire a barrage of bullets. Then I got a call from Colonel Mathur. He said, yeah, let's cut down on volume of fire and let's track down the actual area. Let's pin him down. मैं कहा सर send in a drone. Drone operator को ऊपर भेजे, कुछ तो मिलेगा, कहीं तो दिखेगा. कहते चल, I'll do that. They sent in the drone, and by the time this guy started playing his game, एक गोली इधर एक गोली उधर बैठ रहा है. He's waiting for us to come close. That did not happen. And after that, you know, we pinpointed his position, and drone में we got to know he's in a ditch. So I got a call that no matter how many single round he fires at you guys, aim fire, hold your fire, we are moving in from the other side. So I said, sir, you are at an advantageous height wala position. So once you are coming, obviously the boys will be exposed. So I'm going to hold fire and I'm going to take cover now. He said, yeah, put the boys in cover. We are moving in from this side. I said, okay. So they moved in from top to bottom while they were moving in. This guy was encountered by them. And eventually it was a matter of, I think, another five odd minutes or maybe less that he was eliminated. So say UBGL under barrel grenade launcher say एक ही round से through his stomach through and through, we blew him up and then put an ample fire onto him. तो वो होता है ना last में fag end में if he's injured he's firing wildly, वो थोड़ा intense हो गया था. For the last 5 minutes a lot of automatic fire इतना आ रहा था ना, and I was feeling so compelled, I was like so desperate. मैंने कहा यार साला वापस I have to fire back. But I held my nerve. I told my boys, control yourself. उस टाइम क्या होता है ना, out of adrenaline वो trigger happy हो जाते हैं. So you have to tell your boys, no, hold your horses, wait. apply logic, wait. You know, a tiger or a lion measures the precise timing and distance when to make a move, and then go and get the prey. So that is how we hunt them. You know, we don't kill them, we hunt them, because वो जानवर है ना, तो हम जानवरों का hunting करते हैं in the jungles. That's how we do it.
Got it.